Fourth problem, show that root 3 into cosecant 20 degrees minus secant 20 degrees equal to 4. Solution, LHS equal to root 3 into cosecant 20 degrees minus secant 20 degrees equal to, we know that cosecant alpha equal to 1 by sin alpha, secant alpha equal to 1 by cos alpha, so that it can be written as root 3 into 1 by sin 20 degrees minus 1 by cos 20 degrees equal to, now LCM is, we have sin 20 into cos 20, then here we have root 3 into cos 20 minus sin 20 equal to, numerator we should write in the form of cos of a minus b. To write in the form of cos of a minus b, multiply numerator and denominator by 2 here. So 2 into 1 by 2 into root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20 whole by sin 20 into cos 20. Now multiply this 1 by 2 with root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20. So equal to 2 into root 3 by 2 into cos 20 minus 1 by 2 into sin 20 whole by sin 20 into cos 20. Therefore, here we know that root 3 by 2 equal to sin 60. Two into, here we have sin 60 degrees, sin 60 into cos 20 minus 1 by 2 can be taken as cos 60 into sin 20 divided by sin 20 into cos 20 equal to 2 into, it's in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B equal to sin of A minus B. Sin of 60 minus 20 divided by sin 20 into cos 20 equal to 2 into sin 40 by sin 20 into cos 20. Now it's equal to 2 into, we know that sin 2 alpha equal to 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Sin 40 can be taken as 2 into sin of 2 into 20 by sin 20 into cos 20. Therefore, sin 2 alpha equal to 2 sin alpha cos alpha by, we have sin 20 into cos 20. Sin 20 cancel. Cos 20 cancel. So 2 into 2 equal to 4. Therefore, here RHS equal to 4. Hence proved. Prove that cos 36 degrees into cos 72 degrees into cos 180 degrees into cos 144 degrees equal to 1 by 16. Here, we know that cos 36 equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Cos 72 is nothing but sin 18. So here LHS equal to, we have cos 36 degrees into cos 72 degrees into cos 108 degrees into cos 144 degrees equal to, this can be taken as cos 36 degrees and it can be written as cos of 90 minus 18 degrees into cos of 90 degrees plus 18 degrees into cos of 180 minus 36 degrees. 144 equal to 180 minus 36. So cos of 180 minus 36 degrees equal to cos 36 degrees into, we know that cos 90 minus alpha equal to sin alpha. So equal to sin 18 degrees. Sin 18 degrees into cos 90 plus alpha. 90 plus alpha lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. So we have to take negative sign. Whenever 90 plus alpha, 90 minus alpha is there, cos becomes sin. So minus sin 18 degrees into 180 minus alpha lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative, minus, whenever we have 180 minus alpha, cos becomes cos only, no change in cos. So cos 36 degrees equal to, minus into minus plus, so cos 36 into cos 36 equal to cos square 36 degrees into sin 18 into sin 18 equal to sin square 18 degrees. Therefore, now it's equal to cos 36 value equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole power 2 into sin 18 equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole power 2 equal to, we know that a power m into b power m equal to ab whole power m. A power m into b power m equal to ab whole power m. So that this can be written as root 5 plus 1 by 4 into root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole power 2 equal to numerator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square by, we have 4 into 4 16 whole power 2. Now root 5 whole square equal to 5. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 by 16 whole power 2 equal to 4 by 16 whole power 2. 4 fours equal to 1 by 16. We have to prove that equal to 1 by 16. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Prove that cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 5 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 7 pi by 8 equal to 3 by 2. Solution. Take LHS. LHS equal to cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 plus 5 pi by 8 can be written as pi minus 3 pi by 8 cos of pi minus 3 pi by 8 whole power 4 pi minus 3 pi by 8. So equal to 8 pi minus 3 pi by 8, 5 pi by 8 plus cos of pi minus pi by 8 whole power 4. Now it's equal to cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 plus, here we have cos of 180 minus alpha. Cos of 180 minus alpha equal to minus cos alpha. So minus cos 3 pi by 8 whole power 4 plus cos of 180 minus alpha equal to minus cos alpha. So equal to minus cos pi by 8 whole power 4. Now it's equal to cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 pi by 8. Now it's equal to, these two are same terms, so we can write it as 2 cos power 4 pi by 8 plus 2 cos power 4 3 pi by 8. Now this can be written as 2 into cos square pi by 8 whole power 2 plus 2 into cos square 3 pi by 8 whole power 2. Now it's equal to 2 into cos square alpha equal to formula 1 plus cos 2 alpha by 2. Cos square alpha equal to 1 plus cos 2 alpha by 2. Here alpha equal to pi by 8. Then it implies 1 plus cos 2 into pi by 8 whole by 2 whole power 2 plus 2 into, we have 1 plus cos of 2 into 3 pi by 8 whole by 2 whole power 2. Now it's equal to 2 into 1 plus cos pi by 4 by 2 whole power 2 plus 2 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 4 whole by 2 whole power 2. Now it's equal to 2 into the value of cos pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2. So into 1 plus 1 by root 2 whole by 2 whole power 2 plus 2 into cos 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 equal to pi minus pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. So 1 minus cos pi by 4 by 2 whole power 2. Therefore now it's equal to 2 into root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 whole power 2 plus 2 into root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 whole power 2 equal to 2 into root 2 plus 1 whole square by 2 square 4. 4 into 2 8 plus 2 into root 2 minus 1 whole square whole by 4 into 2 8. So here LCM is, we have 4. So LCM is 4. Root 2 plus 1 whole square 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2, so that it's equal to 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 by 4. 6 by 4 equal to 3 by 2. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Prove that sin 3x into sin cube x plus cos 3x into cos cube x equal to cos cube 2x. Solution. LHS equal to sin 3x into sin cube x plus cos 3x into cos cube x equal to, now we know the formula for sin 3x. Sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Now from this, sin cube x equal to 4 sin cube x equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Therefore, now here we have to write sin cube x equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. It's equal to sin 3x into 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4 plus cos 3x into, we have to write the formula for cos cube x now. So here cos cube x means, we know that cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x equal to 4 cos cube x equal to cos 3x plus 3 cos x, cos cube x equal to cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4. Then now here in the place of cos cube x we can write cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4. Now multiply sin 3x with 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. Then we get 3 sin x into sin 3x minus sin square 3x. Take LCM 4 here. Now here plus cos 3x into cos 3x, cos square 3x plus 3 cos 3x into cos x. 3 cos 3x into cos x. Now here take these two terms. Then we have 3 common here. Cos 3x into cos x plus sin 3x into sin x plus, take these two terms, cos square 3x minus sin square 3x plus cos square 3x minus sin square 3x whole by 4. Now it's equal to 3 into, we have cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B equal to cos of A minus B. So you have cos of 3x minus x plus, we know that cos square alpha minus sin square alpha equal to cos 2 alpha. Cos square alpha minus sin square alpha is always equal to cos 2 alpha. So that it's equal to cos of 2 into 3x 6x whole by 4. Now 3x minus x equal to 2x. So 3 cos 2x plus cos 6x. Here we can write 6x equal to 3 into 2x whole by 4. Now we know that cos 3 alpha equal to formula, cos 3 alpha formula equal to 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. So here alpha equal to, we have 2x. Then it implies it's equal to 3 cos 2x plus cos 3 alpha equal to 4 cos cube alpha. So 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x whole by 4. Then plus 3 cos 2x minus 3 cos 2x becomes 0. So it's equal to 4 cos cube 2x by 4. So 4 cancel. Now we get cos cube 2x equal to RHS. Hence proved.